Okay, so now we've removed the pegs that were supporting the top of the posts that hold the TV. Now we're going to remove the lower ones, which is a little bit more judicious. What we're going to do is lift the cabinet just a little bit so that we have room to slide the TV underneath it. And I'm going to put another one over here. In fact, a little bit higher will work. And then I'm going to do the same thing for this side. So we have a little bit of leg room here. Wiggle room, actually, not leg room. And now the TV will slide out there, which is our next step. Okay. Now, judiciously, all we need to do is slide, because it's only held in with pegs. It's not screwed in or anything. It's basically held in by gravity and by some engineering. And I'm going to just simply grab these and then slide it forward and then drive it down. We need to raise it higher. We need to raise it about 3 or 4 inches higher in the next step of the video.